Hello, this is Dr. Hawk again, and this is a demo of OrgGraph. OrgGraph is a tool that unlocks the hidden dynamics within your organization. And I think this is very, very important for human resource professionals or anyone who's leading an organization where you have maybe a cluster of people who are just very talented and they're the core of your organization. And if they leave or something happens, things can fall apart very quickly. So, one of the things that I thought about when I was developing this app is like, how could it help organizations to plan for the unknown? Now, again, this is all AI powered, developed using Base 44. And so I'll walk you through very quickly how it works. So you upload your data here and it gives you the what the formats are. So if you have maybe a group of people in your engineering team or in your software development team, you would put their names, their team, the role, the manager, the tenure, and the skills because this is what this particular program needs in order to make the determination. There's a survey manager that you can create to send out surveys to people on your team. So if you have 20 people and you're trying to figure out, well, I have John and I have Sally over here, and they seem to be the two leaders, even though they may not be official leaders, but they're the people that a lot of other employees go to. You can send out surveys and ask them, what type of interaction they have with these core leaders. And that way you have an idea of how the organization, where the knowledge, the funnel of the knowledge begins. So here's the network graph. This is just an example. It shows here in this quick example that I'm using 30 visible node. Each node is a connection to a person. There are 49 connections and then there are 8 teams. And what this is showing, each node, it shows you the connection between this person and this person, between this person and that person. And the person, anyone that's having multiple nodes connected to them, they're a key player in the organization. There's analytics here that shows you the number of employees, the average connection. So, not very high, but that's probably a good thing. It means that maybe your knowledge is spread out evenly. Um, and so it shows you also here the risk. What is the percentage risk? In this case, in this data set, there wasn't any role requirements. You have to break down. This is a breakdown of each role and the skills that are needed. And again, this is very, very helpful for HR, anyone that is running a technical team. We have attrition risk. We don't have anything here yet, so I won't do an analysis. Learning paths. These are where you figure out, what if you have a team and maybe knowledge is too heavy within 2 people in a 30 people team, that maybe you need to set up a learning development pathway so that you can have a more balanced representation of the skills that you need to continue. Skills gap analysis is here, simulations are here, but I don't want this to go on. But again, this is really, and then this is the executive reports that tells you an executive division or a manager what's going on and how they can fix it. And you can see here the health score is 83, which is excellent. Anyway, this was a quick demo, all AI powered, built on Base 40. I hope you enjoy this demo.